Your mom is chilling in the tent, Dakota?
Yes, because that's what she does.
Chills in tents?
Yes.
That's what she does.
No. Well, she basically, she sits on the couch at home.
And chills there?
Or on the counter.
She chills on the counter?
Yes, like this. She goes like this.
Is that her phone?
Yeah.
Okay, then I washed your pizza. You can make your bracelet and I'll tie it, okay? Go. Do you want me to go get my mom?
Let her sleep. Let her sleep, let her sleep, let her sleep.
Right now?
Making your bracelet.
It's gonna be a Cheeto dust bracelet.
Good morning, Hadassah.
Morning. I want to make a bracelet. You can sit
Good morning, Arasa.
Good morning, Sabrina.
Morning.
I wish I could
morning,
videotape the smell, which is lovely. Smell that pancakes and turkey bacon.
No, scissors. All I can smell is pineapple.
We didn't sleep last night, but that doesn't matter.
No, I don't brush my teeth in mornings on camping trip.